If you're seeing Facebook error code 1, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and most effective fixes step by step, so you can get back into Facebook without wasting time. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that works for many common login and loading issues, and the best part is that you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's start with the first fix. Refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard, or if you're on a phone, swipe down to reload the page. Sometimes Facebook error code 1 appears because the page didn't load correctly the first time, and a simple refresh can instantly resolve it. If refreshing doesn't help, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to fail when trying to load your account or app content. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem changes. Now let's move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger errors like this one. If you're using a browser, go into your settings, then open Privacy and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached files and cookies, then restart your browser and try Facebook again. Another very useful fix is to try Incognito or private mode. This opens Facebook in a clean session without using your saved cookies, extensions, or stored browsing data. If Facebook works fine in private mode, that usually means the issue is related to your regular browser data or an extension. Speaking of extensions, disable your browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. These can interfere with Facebook and cause error code 1 to appear. After disabling them, reload Facebook and check whether the problem is gone. If it is, you can turn the extensions back on one at a time to find the one causing the issue. Next, make sure your browser is fully updated. Whether you use Chrome, Edge, or another browser, an outdated version can create compatibility problems with websites like Facebook. Open your browser settings and install any available updates, then relaunch the browser and test Facebook again. If you're still seeing the error, try logging out of Facebook completely and then logging back in. Sometimes your session may just need to be refreshed. Sign out, close the browser or app, open it again, and sign back in with your account details. At this point, if the issue continues, you may want to try Facebook in a different browser or on a different device. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with your current browser, your device, or your Facebook account itself. If it works somewhere else, then the issue is likely local to your original browser setup. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, clear your cache and cookies, use incognito mode, disable extensions, update your browser, and log out and back in. These steps solve Facebook error code 1 in many cases and can save you a lot of frustration. If this guide helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.